So, cosplay world. We do a lot of crazy stuff. We have a lot of scenarios to go to. And maybe you don't have every tool for the job. This is where SandPaper is immensely useful. Now, there will be tools which are better at carving specific materials. Absolutely. But being that almost every project's going to be different and hit you with a different set of scenarios to tackle, SandPaper is a good choice, especially if you're starting out and you don't have the money to invest in a zillion tools. You can very easily adapt SandPaper to the needs of your project. Whether it's a size issue and you need to put it on a large plank of wood or a fine tool, or it's a grit scenario where you can switch out the grits very easily and not have to worry about buying a whole set of files or rasps or whatever the scenario needs. And it's relatively cheap. Now, you will have to, of course, switch them out because SandPaper wears over time, but well, everything wears out of time, especially with your sanding tools. Now, when I'm carving, I use this largely for the kind of medium details. I've already cleared away the bulk of the shape I'm looking for, but it's not going to be, I don't find it's as dexterous as some of the other tools available to us. So it's kind of the in-between, especially if I have to do a large even surface or an area to kind of refine the shape, make those spherical things that tend to be more time consuming. I hope this helps you. Hope you enjoy cosplays. Good times to all. Rah! You look to me like someone who likes cosplay. Well, guess what I got? Lots of it. Check me out. Hit the sub button. Stream or two. See you around.